Hello, good day to you guys. My name is Bolaji. I'm from Tentec Enterprise. I'm gonna teach you on how to withdraw from our website. So I'm going to using a mobile phone how to withdraw or request for your ROI return on investment from our website using a mobile phone. So I'm using an Apple phone to access tentecenterprise.com website. So like first of all you have to once you've typed in once you've logged on to once you've logged on to our website, you clicked on the menu bar, the three horizontal line on our at the right corner of your screen. So you clicked on login. After clicking on login, you input your email and you input your password. Click on login. So I've accessed my dashboard now. After clicking on login and after accessing your dashboard successfully, click on more, click on my account, then click on my transaction. After clicking on your transaction, you will see some functions here. We have at the right corner after your user ID, which is TE 0000002. So you see some text written down under that your username, which is a available balance. Click on available balance. You see the total investment, the total investment that you can easily request for. So this is your total investment. So click you've seen your available balance, the money that is available for withdrawal. So I have 80,000 naira that is available for withdrawal on my account here. So after that, you've already confirmed that you have money that is available for withdrawal in your account. So after that, click on the arrows, on the three lines at the left corner of your screen. So click on the three line at the left corner of your screen to access your menu bar. So you can see some functionality here. So today on this video I'm going to teach you on how to withdraw. So after you'll be able to access your menu bar. So click on payment request. Click on payment request. It will brings out some other options, which is we have instant Pioneer, we have local bank, we have instant Bitcoin, instant Ethereum, and instant Litecoin. So mind you, whether you deposit through your debit card or you do online transfer or bank deposit, any of it, as far as you are operating on Naira. So whenever you want to withdraw, you have to click on local bank. So I'm clicking on local bank here. So after clicking on local bank, it will direct you to withdraw fund through local bank. So here you have your account name, which is your name, your phone number, your email. So there is some text below states that please contact us if the above information is incorrect. So cross check your account number whether it's correct. So if you are a new user if you are a new user on our website, you need to input your account number, but once you input it for the first time, there is no need for you to input it again. So please read the following text carefully so that you'll be able to understand. So another one of the tests states that we will process your withdrawal request within 3 to 24 hours. So note sometimes your request may take up to 48 hours or larger due to our third party payment processor. So like once the available balance is on everything, you just input the amount you want to withdraw. I'm going to request for 1,000 naira. So like this, I've input the amount I want to withdraw. Don't forget I have available balance of 80,000 plus on my account. So now once you input the amount you want to withdraw, click on make withdrawal. Click on make withdrawal. Sorry for that, we are waiting for the network, we are having network challenges. So click on make withdrawal. So you can see now your request has been submitted. So once the systems are displayed this message, automatically your withdrawal has been submitted, and the system will process your withdrawal within 3 to 24 hours. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Thank you for trusting Tech Enterprise.